Shiv Nadar University is a private university located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh and has received a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BSc course here? Let's find out. Beginning with its placements rated 3.9 stars. SNU University's 2022-23 placements saw participation from close to 130 recruiters. Cognizant, Adobe, Bosch, Dell and Deloitte were amongst the prominent ones. Students say top roles include software developer and analyst, with internships available and placements in marketing, IT and software sectors. For the UG 4 years BSc program, 444 students graduated, and of these 271 or roughly 61% went to get placed, whereas another 25% went for higher studies for the year end 2022-23. The highest package overall stood at 58.09 lakh per annum for the year 2023, whereas 11.65 lakh per annum was the average salary. Looking at the year-on-year trend, the median packages overall have increased by 50% as compared to the previous year, rising from 8.03 lakh per annum in 2022 to 12.08 lakh per annum for the year 2023. A comparative analysis with Galgotia University shows that SNU offers up to 168% higher salaries to its students. About 50% of the students secure internships in their third year, with opportunities at reputable companies and startups such as Bain, ZS, Nike, Microsoft, HCL Tech, L&T, UBS to name a few. SNU offers 6 BSc specializations, 4 under the School of Natural Sciences and 2 under Humanities and Social Science. In addition to these, SNU also offers a 4-year dual degree BS or Bachelor in Sciences program along with Arizona State University in Business Data Analytics and Computer Science. Applicants need at least 65% in 10+2, with subjects including the one being opted for. Admissions can be secured through 5 routes: JEE Main, NEET, Shiv Nadar University Scholastic Aptitude Test, Scholastic Assessment Test, American College Testing or CUET, each followed by an interview. The fees for the BSc program ranges from 10 lakh to 16 lakh, and this includes the hostel, mess, laundry and 24/7 medical services. The 4-year BS program costs 20 lakhs with an additional 90,000 as admission and security deposit. Scholarships are based on merit, school topper status, low income, sports achievements or SAT scores. The institution has a 4.5-star value for money rating on Shiksha.com. Moving on now to the 4.5 rated infrastructure. The campus is 286 acres. The college offers well-maintained infrastructure, air-conditioned classrooms, library and hostels, although there have been some concerns about Wi-Fi. The university offers a vast 2.75 acres indoor sports complex and a 13.12 acre of outdoor facilities. The auditorium is equipped with cutting-edge technology, having 520 seats. Hostel room for girls are available on a twin sharing basis and for boys on both twin and quad sharing basis, although washrooms need improvement for students. Single occupancy rooms are also available. Mess food is of good quality and students have options of other food outlets in addition to the mess. Transitioning to faculty in course with a 4.2-star rating. Most teachers are skilled and proficient, providing good guidance to students. The curriculum covers important topics and projects, offering valuable experience, ensuring industry readiness. Exams occur twice per semester with quizzes, lab exams and industry visits. They range from medium difficulty levels to high, requiring consistent study throughout the year. There is also opportunity for students to get into research, both via our program as well as assisting faculty engaged in SNU's FGIR program. Shiv Nadar University fosters research collaborations through MOUs with international universities such as University of California, Berkeley, UPenn, ASU to name a few. Let's now move on to campus life, which has been rated 4.5 stars. There are a number of clubs and societies ranging from cultural and arts to academic, social, community service, sports and fitness, technology and innovation at SNU. Some of these include Debating Society, Adventure Club, Genesis, the Life Sciences Society, H2O, House of Habers, the Mathematics Society, ACMW SNU Student Chapter. The university hosts events and fests, and some of which have featured performances by renowned artists. SNU was ranked 94th in the NIRF overall category in 2022 and then dropped to the 95th position in 2023 and maintained that position in 2024. For more details on SNU and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.